This How to 1 Minute will show you how to add Google Analytics to Wix website. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to connect your Wix website to Google Analytics. First of all, log into your Wix account and make sure you have a premium website in Wix, because adding Google Analytics is only available for premium users. Now, click on Select and Edit Site. Once you are in your Wix site dashboard, scroll down to this left-hand menu, hover over on Marketing and SEO, and click on Marketing Integrations. And here you will get Google Analytics. All you have to need is just click on Connect, and then you will jump into this page. Now, go to your Google Analytics page and make sure to sign into your account. Now we will create a new property for our Wix website. So click on Create and select Property. Write the property name and then select your time zone here and select your currency and click on Next. And here select your industry category. Select your business size and click on Next. Choose your business objectives and click on Create. Now choose your platform, and here you have to enter your website, Wix website link or URL. Enter the stream name and click on this gear icon, and here disable site search and enable page views. Click on Save and click on Create Stream. And here you will get this measurement ID. So you have to copy this ID. Once you copied this ID, now go to your Wix marketing integration page. Now in this box, paste the measurement ID you just copied from your Google Analytics page and then click on Save. Once it's done, it may take up to 48 hours to active your Wix site to Google Analytics. So this was the whole process to add Google Analytics to your Wix website. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.